I was going to have lunch with a couple of friends of mine and was hit in the driver's side. A gentleman ran a red light and hit me broadside in the driver's door. My vehicle was totaled, had severe frame damage, all airbags were deployed. The car was rendered inoperable. It was just a total mangled mess. The wreck happened so fast. There was really no time to discern what was happening or what was happening around me. It was just a loud sound of just colliding metal and just chaos. And thank God I ended up coming to a rest where I wasn't going to be injured any further than I was at that time. Just an unbelievably scary incident. Literally, your life does flash in front of your eyes. I mean, just the worst experience I've ever been through in my entire life. To sum up my injuries, I had 2 herniated discs, I had a cracked rib, multiple contusions, extremely sore, had pulled muscles, was unable to work for a period of time. Jack's reputation was a very good reputation. I spoke to numerous colleagues of his the period that I was shopping for an attorney, and found that Jack was very reputable in his business. When I hired Jack Clay, I was working for a civil and criminal attorney that's local around his office. And the person that I worked for was actually friends with Jack, and that helped in my decision making. The major challenge that Jack and I faced in this particular case was the gentleman that struck my vehicle, that ran the red light, struck my vehicle, was cited for no proof of license. When he was arrested, he was taken to jail and bonded out for no license. He skipped bail. So it presented a large challenge in trying to find him in order to get the case moving along. Even though the case presented us somewhat of a challenge, it rolled very smoothly. It transpired in a very smooth manner. I'm very pleased with the settlement that we received when we finished the case. Even though it took a little bit of time for us to receive the settlement, we were very pleased with what we received, and we were very well compensated for our time. I feel that Jack Clay is a very professional man. As a former colleague, I believe that he is just a very, very good person and has the best interests of his clients at heart. I would absolutely recommend Jack Clay for any type of personal injury, any type of case that he handles to anyone. Without hesitation, I would recommend his services to any person.